Now, there is some relief for 17-time champion trainer Wayne Da Costa after his super filly, She's Amanita, was able to take the exercise track this morning. This after Saturday's incident where the reigning Horse of the Year bolted from the starting gate prior to the fourth running of the Diamond Mile. Denise Walters has our follow-up.
She's Amanita, who bolted from the starting gate at Caymanas Park on Saturday, missing the much-touted clash with her arch-rival and eventual Diamond Mile winner Will in Charge, is showing signs of being physically well, according to trainer Wayne Da Costa. The 4-year-old bay filly shocked racing fans after breaking from the starting gate, jumping the barrier to the infield, running freely before crashing into the vegetation. She was eventually chased and caught by groom Luisito Da Costa and calmed by jockey Omar Walker. As a result, she was declared a late non-starter, and there was a real possibility that she could have injured herself. However, trainer Wayne Da Costa says she's good so far.
Well, so far so good. She came out to race the buckle with basically minor scratches. She never ate out Saturday evening, but Sunday she ate out. So we haven't seen any physical problems with her. So we carried her to the track this morning and she cantered around. Omar said she was fine. So we're going to give her a little light work again tomorrow morning and take it from there.
Da Costa says that She's Amanita is nowhere near being retired and may very well be on the Boxing Day race card.
Well, it all depends on how she works in her get-up tomorrow morning, because she hasn't get up in over a week now. So we'll see how she gets up and then we take it from there. If not, if she works good, she might well run later on this year. If not, for sure she'd race next year.
Da Costa expressed puzzlement on how such an incident could have occurred with a horse of her disposition, and Da Costa's rival Anthony Baba Nunez, who surpassed him in stakes earnings with a 4-time on Saturday, says his success on the day was bittersweet given what happened prior to the Diamond Mile.
Just mystified of what took place at the gates on Saturday. Just in total disbelief that the quietest horse in the world could get loose running by herself on a racetrack.
You know what, it's bittersweet because it was unfortunate to see what happened to She's Amanita. Didn't feel good about that at all.
Now, TVJ Sports caught up with several punters at a few OTBs in the corporate area who are asking for an investigation from the promoting company Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited.
I think them should have a thorough investigation on the part of the gate handlers' neglect She's Amanita, because once the jockey take evasive action, he should have held on to the horse head.
The gate attendants should be all responsible for what happened, because he is the one who should guarantee the safety of the horse. Once the jockey came off the horse, he should realize that all is now in his hands.
At the first, from She's Amanita the run, at the first, I see that happen. So I want to know how that come from.
For TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walters.